Yo, what's good? It's your boy Connor. How you guys doing today? And today I have some good news, bad news, and maybe some kind of weird news. So first and foremost, we sold the E30, but we are gonna get a new car. Comment down below what car you think it is, but it's gonna be badass. Hopefully everything goes through, everything goes smoothly. I'm super excited to be getting this car. It's one of my favorite cars of all time, and yeah, I hope you guys guess, honestly. Next thing is that we are going to be doing some powder coating for a lot of things. I have so many projects. I have S14 valve covers, some Honda stuff, you know how it'll be some Honda stuff, and my next freaking project for the Supra. And you guys are going to think it's going to be freaking ridiculous, but I think it's going to be badass. Yeah, we're going big brake kit on the Supra. These are Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 brakes. They're from a 2012 to 2018, I believe. These are in decent condition. They're actually not super bad, but we're gonna be disassembling them. We're gonna be taking them to get them chemically stripped, because I was gonna do it myself, but I think chemically stripped because I want these to be perfect. And we're gonna go ahead and powder coat them. I think I'm gonna go with some purple. I kind of want to match this with my engine bay, so some big old purple brakes is gonna be sick, and flashy. You don't see a lot of Supras with big purple brakes, so I kind of want to be a little bit different. I think it'll go good with the gray, honestly. But yeah, today we're gonna be disassembling these big ass brakes, and hopefully they fit under my freaking Rays. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to go ahead and do is take the pads out. It has some hardware. I believe you just need to punch these two out, and the pads should come out. So, we'll see if they will come out. I'm going to go get a hammer. Alright, I'm back with a freaking hammer. But yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and punch these out. Got one out. There it is. Maybe I was doing it wrong, but here are the two pins. Oh, shit. Here are the two pins that keep the pads in, and then obviously the rest of the hardware. But look at these pads, though. Look. Those are some razor thin pads. Whoever had this before, like, used them to the freaking max. That's kind of embarrassing, but I mean, not too bad. Whatever. We've all done it. So let's see. Now we have to take this second pad off. I don't know if this is stuck or not, but let me go ahead and just take this little thing. It's just a nut, so it should be able to come off with both of them. So let's go ahead and do that. Just like that, baby. This should just slide right out. There it is. This keeps the whole thing in. So these keep the pads in. This keeps the whole thing. This holds the hardware. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up. But yeah, look how bad these are. These are so bad. I mean, these things definitely need to rebuild. Go ahead and take off the brake line. The brake line's right here. I mean, it should be nothing too bad. Oh. We will not be needing these at all, but I'm going to keep them anyways, just in case I need some. But I mean, they're already broken. They already cut them off, so I mean, I don't need them. Other than that, we will be needing to take the pistons out, which is going to be kind of a pain in the butt. Oh, and it is, holy crap. Oh, I should have known it still had brake fluid in it. BRB. Kind of a rip. This is the only one that I actually ripped. All the other seals came out really good. So I'm going to have to buy another seal kit, which is alright. I was going to maybe do that anyways if all the seals came back out. But I mean, this one is really ripped and the other ones are kind of crusty. So I'm just going to do that. I might actually buy new pistons while I'm at it. But good thing that they have the part number on them, which is not super bad. But I mean, they all came out. This was really annoying. Why I didn't take you on the most of the journey, because one of the pistons was not really seized. It just wasn't coming out as easy as the other ones. But now they're all empty. No pistons. I think I just still need to take out the inner seals, which isn't super bad. They're like right on the edge. Here are all the inner seals. They actually don't look super bad, but we're probably going to replace them all. I did find this in there, so I don't really know what that's from. I hope it's nothing. It looks like some pulled threads, but I wonder from where. I hope it's not from anywhere that I think. Alright, so this is pretty much the final product of us getting everything out. All of the pistons are out, all the seals are out, all the hardware is here, and these whack-ass brakes, like these things. Super bad. These will be going off to get chemically stripped. Hopefully they come out super good, super nice and chemically stripped, just so we can go ahead and shoot them and get the color that I really want. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find some Brembo stickers online and see. I'm gonna measure them and make sure they look the same, because I don't want a big Brembo thing. I kind of like the way these look, the little Brembo stickers. So I think I have a buddy of mine that I can maybe do it. I don't know if she can do these, but I kind of want like a silver Brembo color, like, you know, like kind of like a little nicer of a silver color. We'll see though. The next thing on the agenda though is we needed to prep Tony's SR20 valve cover. He went to the freaking hassle of getting everything ready for me. Nothing super bad. We just need to clean it up a little bit. But we're going to toss this in the oven real quick to outgas everything, make sure everything is clean, and then we can prep it. We're going to prep the Nissan sign, the twin can sign, all these things. But yeah, I mean, it's going to be good. Alright, so it is the next day. I have dropped off the Brembo brakes to get chemically stripped, and now we're going to start on this SR20 valve cover. So it's already been stripped, everything. I already put it in the oven for about, I think it's like 400 degrees for about an hour or so. I left it in for a while just because it had a bunch of stuff, but I mean, it's really clean inside and out. All we really have to do now is prep the surface. So what we're going to do is we're going to tape up all these things, tape up everything here. It's going to be a nice little time lapse, shouldn't be too bad. And then after that, we're going to clean it up and shoot it. So that actually took a little longer than expected because I had to do the whole bottom and the twin cam, and then I'm trying to make it as perfect as possible because I want that to be silver and the rest to be the color that we're gonna do. It's a I think it's Malbec purple, something like that. It's an illusion color, so it should be not that bad. But it actually came out really good. It was a pain in the butt. It took me about an hour-ish to get everything super done. Just because I have to do everything individually with that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Next video, we should be able to get our brake calipers back and shoot them and do all that stuff. And we're gonna shoot this SR20 valve cover and maybe shoot some Honda stuff in the next video. But thank you guys a lot for watching. Staying tuned to the video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!